Alright, before this vlog starts, like this video if you ever use your saliva to moisturize the face. You don't have any eye for ring? Remember what is that? I mean, who is that eye for ring? Can't believe. Come on, let me up. Alright, good morning team Ismash. How's everybody doing today? Down at the supermarket, I'm about to go get some snacks. For somewhere I'm going to receive them, I soon explain to you fully where exactly I'm going. But for now, supermarket 3.
I'm foreign. If you get to you feel a dream. If you get to you feel a dream. More money for you run like river water. No time for joke, no time for laughter. Money off you spend so me grind harder. Do a life for them disaster. More money for you run.
Good. Oh rush kids. Good. Got you. Oi.
Sorry.
Take off now.
The young guy in the white shirt.
Sir. Turn anyway. You're turning anyway, not for rub it here. Too good. That's good. Really good.
That's not activated.
I'm trying mine. So you guys finally reach. I never tell you now where it's from. I go, right, this lighting sucks. But yeah, I'm working on election day and I'm just out here, you know. So tomorrow, I'm not working on video tomorrow itself because election day when in a polling station is super confidential. So I'm not do any vlogging. The vlogging for next 12 hours. I'll go in right here and pick up wherever I pick up in the next clip. But I'm gonna show you the room and thing. But this is the room. Take that bed here, over here, so close to the window. Because my boss and him deserve it. Another nigga in the room over there, so I'm gonna build a wall here, so call them and jump and tell him to send a link and I can build a wall here, so I have one little TV over here, so about 48 or 30, I don't know how much inch, but small. Bug there, so with a little couch. So me here, outfit of the day, blah. Let me see what the light switch there. What's the light switch? Another place are dark, you know, so probably, oh, I'm seeing. In here says the bathroom. Everything clean. What else? It says like a wardrobe, like. But get back on that lighting. Yeah, I'm signing out right now. I'm probably gonna eat. The next clip, man.
Mars, new episodes on National Geographic.
Now playing.
It's a place, all-inclusive resort, all-inclusive. Alright, I'm finished.
Feel myself.
Alright, finish eat. Shit. When I finish eat, I know I'm gonna sleep. No, yeah, I'm gonna build. Then sleep. Then, yeah, work in the morning. So see you guys in the morning after tomorrow morning. Yeah, Team Ismash. I'm out for now. Peace! Yo, I'm just saying, we're going to vlog because everybody actually got in that pool. Just I come from down there still. Cold like ice in the room over here, so I'm going to just go in the vlog camera for the show. Because they don't know me not turn up without my team. We have see settings on this. Ready.
You might not feel like enough, but enough.
Hi.
Alright, miss. Sorry.
Yeah, we're born on the roll, you know. Showing up top. Option is supposed to do it. So exactly you for a person. Good people. Trust me when I say yo, that water is cool. Legit cool. I don't know how much I need in the water. And the cool, I'm going to come up, don't go back in there, so I'm going to dry off now. And then, probably going to eat something more and then go sleep. Because I'm going to get up like 4 o'clock tomorrow morning. But yo, I don't know how they do it. But the water is cold as fly. 206. Fly.
Say it right, yeah.
Got you. That blow, cool. You cool? I'm going to do it.
A few moments later.
Brother be the man still. No, when I get every time I tell the vlog, say, I'm gonna go on my bed, man, come out to our room and go on with people. Alright, man, come out to our room one more time and we'll probably go play a pool, but basically, man, I think I'm gonna go like tour your hotel, you know what I mean? And as usual, I think again, I'm supposed to do it without my team, so I'm come with the team. And let's go! Sit down. Sit down straight here. Sit. Coming on different dimension. Oh! Big body. We call it supermarket. They're right up this. On 20, we got 24 hours supermarket. Nice, this follow me. You know. See what we do. We are going to book. Shut up the steel. Tattoos on my body and my yeah, you hold it. See what I'm doing. Is it ready? Is it ready? Up on the side. And I'll show you what's in there. Wow. I'm gonna know start. When we want to go, we have to make sure it's a land over there. So I think you know the land about money instead.
You sure?
I think so.
I must stand up if you won't sing. No, that's like a land, man.
No, you have to make it land. See what you say. You have to land. Think I say.
I must start that by sequence.
Yeah. Sit like that. If my bones is like that, bones, right? I'm gone, which is not supposed to be. Wait. See that? You see? See that?
Yeah, just that. I never bumped in that here was that. That's a purpose now. That's the way it is.
When let's take a picture of this, see where you get the car.
I know what you mean.
When you take photos with that, where you get it from?
In America, we have American instead.
Oh, this is like the one I'm picking me up.
No, it's English.
Yeah, go on the average. Because come notice there like 4 and then dripping up.
Loosen up.
Sit down, ready? First. Plus the rule.
They can play pool. They can play pool. Yo, man, I know better that. And you see how that ball. Catch a 7 for just 1. Come on.
I know mechanical.
You just take it off the ball. Because the one here now for PR and look at that. You just take them out.
You know if you add any stripes on blah blah. Sit them in the add stripes then.
For you, I'm going to go away over here, sir.
I think it's on bad.
Alright, people. It's about my 3rd time I play pool or something like that. I'm not good none of it. I play pool more than what? 10 times?
For me? Yeah. Not too worried.
How is that in start? Yeah, you're gonna.
I mean, jerky.
Yeah, great cat right
Go
on. And L nervous. Get there. Alright, run again. Second attempt number 2. Oh, no going. Okay, I'm sorry that I do.
Oh, no, I think I'm going to know you. Keep your hand there.
Alright. Wait, alright, you still lose, you still not get that one.
I'm going to break you, hold on. I'm
Get.
going to break you.
No man, we're just continue. You can't just continue.
No record? May I accept for the record? Eh? The record?
Yeah man. You see REC funny?
Yeah.
Yeah man. You're ready to have a shoot this time.
Alright, what's about, tell me which ball you choose us? Pick one ball.
Hear anything get lit. Alright,
No.
That one, that.
What? Which one?
This is another.
Tell the number. Yeah.
This number still need that.
Alright, sir. Go on, man, go on.
Alright.
Send us another ball, I'm gonna play my youth.
Bad man.
I'm gonna play 8 ball.
Watch it.
So you can just broke up yourself.
Far easy. I can't shot it this so hard, you see? Well, no, alright, watch it.
Not gonna do, man.
Are you gonna? Yeah, my apologies for my newbie.
Movie not touch nothing. You don't want nothing.
Let me show the movie. Cause when he break a game, none never go in.
Oh.
Go on.
I like how that table is done.
Like,
Column missing.
oh, you don't have enough space, not
Hold
true?
on, I'll try with us. Stripe power with us.
Stripe. Go on again.
Stripe.
Get there.
That one.
You can manage that. You can't manage, you can't eat this. Okay. Still not have enough space. Get there, man. Get there.
Yeah, go cheap in.
Oh, yo. Miss.
What time? Boy, 11:30. Everybody better for it. 11:22.
Who's that? Tell me what to wear, the big man. No, Jack. What to wear?
Alright. This.
I know my stripes here, look, man.
Come on. You have to be solid.
You can't touch my stripes, dude.
This you boss up in.
Yeah, that man. Yo, I saw you gonna too.
No matter.
Make him, if you have a technique, can you show me?
Try and get me on the game.
And chippy.
Go on again.
And chippy. One. Lift you. Yeah, go on.
Alright.
Yeah, EMP center ball.
I have to say.
Go on again. Yo, this now we could take down it.
What's it?
You see, my cousin teach me how to play.
Yo, I think I'm a third time I play pool this.
I play half.
Go on.
I'm telling you, time I play for my phone.
8 ball. Go show.
You know, see, I saw my cousin play and in chippy.
Alright, man, go again. Alright, man, I started this thing. Yo, I will practice before me at least start a game or some shit like that. Yo, it's just.
Yeah, hold on,
Go on.
Eh? I'm doing it.
Precision. You're not ready. From me see you play, you're as bad as I am.
Of course.
I'll practice more and take you some practice. You want me to take you some practice?
Tell him say there was a harder than ball, but we don't have time to do it. What's some hard?
Well,
Next one.
What's that?
The sing one, right?
Yeah, man, one more thing, one.
See that thing like this. Oh. I thought you know.
No, you would. Tell him man where you got in a big. Not even tell him man where you aim for you.
I remember that.
Yo, when I make it that minute, I'm like, where you got.
Two new.
4 drinks are running on a glass.
One. You
B and things like that.
You see, man, I give you advice like man, a professional.
I mean, I say, wait, but see, stick here.
No, I can't get advice because my cousin play. Me can't play.
It's when you can't get advice.
So he play that too.
Where man talking about alpha? Hold on, man. Let me someone on purpose.
I tap the ball.
When I get to the game, I'm like, hold on.
Break the ball for you know.
Okay, go on again.
Shame, off shame.
Go on again.
The axiom.
You have just build a bridge. Keep a bridge firm. Line up the chin with the key. And you have some of your move, doesn't it? And elbow your move. So you come back here and see. Back and forth, back and forth. Doesn't it? So anyway, you know, any bridge you use this one, I see. You use this one, I see. Anyone I bridge you use.
You just joke the balls.
Yeah, but that bridge is a firm bridge. Put your tighten your big finger against this finger. You just tighten this finger so. And put your stick like this. Hey.
See, you can't manage to use the other time.
Put on just rest your hand pan. Look, rest your palm pan. Rest your bottom as a pan. Then put on your finger. Then tighten your big finger. Hey. But now rest it, tighten it up in our ear.
You can try other way, man. You can try other way.
So aim off like that. So anyway you want, say I'm going to shoot this up. And that you're going to do. You line up your stick with it and go over it. You see me? And line up your chin with the cue. You know make sense? You don't line up this one. You know see shot up. You don't come this one. So anywhere you can sink the ball.
You can try the way there.
Yo guys, that's it for Unite here, man. We just like, oh this is got some code upon this. We just go do this real quick and get this over with. Yeah, ocean of them button, yeah? Water.
Different flavor.
I try to see. Oh. Awesome, I see.
I think they have no ice.
Taste this.
What is that? Cranberry.
No cranberry. Hit that.
Day 2.
Morning, team and Smash. But it's not showing me shirt. I'm gonna go here. Outfit. You know, my black ones and low ones. Yeah. Just so no vlogging fail to them. I'm gonna eat breakfast and leave out. So, yeah.
One eternity later.
Stop downtown, not
Oh, wow.
St. Clever's the downtown.
This bus is heading to Pier 1, not St. Clever. The first bus going to St. Clever.
Farm, right now a farm with farm. He's going to
Day 3.
Them picture take over 2 years now. We need to take update the picture anyway. If you do it license.
Me and speak with license.
No, daddy, the picture them up. Daddy, relax now. Tell us something. Daddy, relax now. Daddy, relax.
Daddy, Bill. Alright, watching the team Ismash. Me reach home. That was that, and that was this, and this was that. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you really enjoyed this vlog or enjoyed this vlog in any way, give this video a big ass thumbs up. Like this video and show me appreciation towards what I'm doing, please. If you're not a part of the team, please hit that subscription button down below and join the team. You know, Team Ismash, you don't know. Thank you again, Team Ismash, for supporting, watching my videos and all that, because you didn't have to watch it, but yet still y'all did, and I appreciate it. I love you guys. Team Ismash, I'm out. This bitch.
Extra lesson. I know everybody got a blessing, someone need lessons, someone need extra lessons.